Hi Hannah, just a quick screencast to show you how to add a new email address to Mac Mail. So I'm going to jump straight into it. If you're in Mail, come to Mail, go to Add Account, Other Mail Account, and then the name we're going to give it is going to be Paws Pets, Paws Pet Retreat, and the email address is going to be, no, not that, it's going to be inquiries@pawspets.com.au. So this will just make it easier to begin with, so that if we do get leads coming in from social, we can separate them from Google AdWords, which are going to stay at Paws Pets. So the username is going to be the same. Inquiries@pawspets.com.au. Password I've already entered, which I will provide you. The incoming server is pawspets.com.au. Copy and paste and sign in. Okay, just untick notes, doesn't really matter. So we've got mail. Okay, so now I've got, which one is it? I've got a couple here, I think. Yeah, there it is, inquiries@pawspets.com.au. So if I do a new email there, I've just got a shortcut, you'll find once you start getting a few email accounts that you're going to have a list to send from. So sending from, well, I'm not going to send from that, I'm going to send from mine to inquiries@pawspets.com.au. I'm just going to call it test, and that will do, and send that. So now, because I'm already connected, that's going to come in, there it is. So I'm not going to click on it. Once you set your account up, this test email should come through to you, and then you'll know that it's set up. And that's it. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Okay, cheers.